Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Today we're doing something really simple. They're bacon wrapped little Smokies. The last video I did, I smoked a piece of beef for over 20 hours. Today we're gonna do something that takes about 20 minutes. How's that sound? Let's get right into it. So obviously you're gonna need some little Smokies. These are right next to the hot dogs and sausages at the grocery store. I've got about a handful of brown sugar. Get yourself a good spicy rub, whatever your favorite is. I'm using this Heath Riles garlic jalapeno. I've got some cocktail sticks. I've got some bacon. And then I have a cookie sheet wrapped in foil. And then I've got a little tray to keep them up off the bottom so they don't get soggy. And I'm gonna be doing this in my vertical pellet smoker today. I've got the smoker set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You could do this inside in your oven. You could do this on your charcoal grill. If you're gonna go at a little bit lower temperature, it's gonna take a little bit longer. And we're using the smoker today like a wood-fired oven. So we're not gonna get a whole bunch of smoke flavor today, but we'll get a good wood-fired taste. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out a piece of thin-cut bacon. I like to let it sit out for just a little bit so it gets kind of slimy or wet. You're gonna need that so our brown sugar and seasoning stick. Then what I like to do is take the rub and I'll season the inside of the bacon here. This way we get a nice even coating. Grab one of your little Smokies, set it on the end, and then I'm just gonna roll it about 1.5 times just so I get a little bit of overlap. Take my knife, cut the bacon right there. Cocktail stick right through to help the bacon stick. And then I'll take my brown sugar and I'm just gonna coat it or toss it with my hands. This will just help with the cleanup later, so I don't have a huge thing of burnt sugar on the bottom. And then it goes over onto the pan, and I'll knock one more out for you, just in case you nod it off. All right, 1.5 times, so you get a little overlap. Take the knife, cut the bacon. Cocktail stick right through the center. And then dip it into the brown sugar. And over onto the baking pan. So I'll knock out the rest of these and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so that took about 15 minutes. That's how they look. What I like about dipping them in that brown sugar is you're not really wasting too much. I used half a slab of bacon and the entire bag of little Smokies. So at this point, we just gotta put it in the oven, or in my case today, my pellet smoker. Let's get it in there. Pop this door open. Go right about the center rack here. Again, the oven is up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For those of you that have one of these smokers, I have some leftover water from my last cook that I'm trying to burn up. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone today. That's why there's water in the pan. Get this door closed. And there's not much to do from here. Just about 10 minutes in the smoker or oven. Then you're gonna open up the door, flip them over so they get some nice even heat. I'll show you guys what it looks like in 10 minutes. And then 10 minutes after that, we should be pretty close to done. Just looking for some crispy bacon. So we'll be back when they're ready to flip. Can't wait. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's get this open and see how we're looking here. Pretty good, taking on some nice color. So I'm just gonna go one by one and start flipping them over. It's kind of where these toothpicks help. It gives you something a little bit to hold on to. So you can see that underside is still a little soft. So I will flip all of these over, close the door, and they should be done in another 10 minutes. At which time I will take a bite and let you know how they taste. All right, warriors, that wasn't bad. 20 minutes to put it all together, 20 minutes in the smoker, 10 minutes, and then I flipped them over, finished it off. These are ready to go. They look and smell awesome. Check this out. Just a really nice color these took on. So you see the little sausages, got that nice smoke color. The bacon's just where I like it. It's almost crispy, but not quite, which makes them easier to eat. I just like to stack them up in a big pile like this. Put them out, you watch what happens. They're not gonna last long enough to waste a dish, you know? So here they are. Very nice looking, easy to do. Now let me get a bite. A little bit of brown sugar, bacon, sausage, tiny little bit of a kick from that garlic jalapeno rub. Here we go. That is really, really tasty. I love it. So easy to do. Hey, if you guys like what we're doing over here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and check out one of the other 2 videos right there, and I'll see you over there. Now you know I can't eat just one. You're gonna like it.